This video is not sponsored. This was purchased with my own money. Let's do a review of the Ninja Crispi Pro. Now it comes with the base, a modular base, two containers, the 2.5 container with a lid and crispy tray. Then you have the 6-quart container, lid, crispy tray as well, quick starter guide and recipe book, and then your owner's guide. This is my first time using this. I was like, why not review it with you all on camera? You can also use the 4-quart container that came with the original Ninja Crispi, but you cannot use the original Ninja pod on the 6-quart container. But you can use it on the 2.5 container. Okay, you will place the modular base down in the first position or the bottom position if you're using the 6-quart container. Now, you will try to place this container on the base. Just slide it up there like so. You just slide it back till it clicks. If you purchase the 4-quart container or you have the original Ninja Crispi and you have that container, you will put the base in this position. And you would just put it up like this and push it down. Go up, down. Then you would just slide it in there until it clicks. If you're using the 2.5-quart container, you put the modular base up here. Same situation. And you will try to slide it up there. See, it's not as easy to slide up there as you would think. This would be a concern if you got to take this thing out, shake your food, and put it back. Now, y'all see, mine do have water stains under the bottom because I did wash everything prior to this video. In the video titled How I Clean the Ninja Crispi, I demonstrated a method for removing water stains from the container. Placing the container in a dishwasher works as well, because I stay in a state that has hot water. Okay, well, let's try to slide this up here. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, it has 6 functions: air fry, max crisp, re-crisp, roast, bake / proof, and dehydrate. This one you can set the temperature. On the original one, you cannot. You have to go with the temperatures that they have preset for the functions. Okay, let's try to cook something in it, y'all. Let's give it a go. The recipe that I'm going to prepare for this demo would be some loaded tater tots. Okay, I'm going to put the modular base down in the first position. I will be using the 6-quart container. These are the tater tots that I'll be using today. Okay, we have them all in there. Let's try to get the container on the base. Okay, just like the original Ninja Crispi, how they give you recommendations for each setting. For the frozen food, they suggest max crisp. So let's go to max crisp. It's a 450. I don't think I want to cook these on 450. I didn't want to use 450 because most air fryers don't reach that temperature. So we're going to temp, and we're going to carry it down to 400. If we can. But you told me I could change my temp. So the only one you cannot change the temp for is max crisp. 450 for 15 minutes. Okay, it also has a light button that you can adjust. See? So you can see what the food looks like. As you can see, it's well past the half mark where you're supposed to shake the basket. So let me do that now. Like this. Gently shake. Now I would recommend getting pot holders to do so. And then we're going to place it back up here. You see the light comes on. I'm going to hit start. Okay, the timer went off. Now the top is, warm to touch, but not too hot, just warm to touch. This is what they look like. Let's toss again. Normally these would be crispy enough for me, but what I'm going to use them for, I want them a little bit more crispier than this. They're crispy. So I'm going to put them back in now, max crisp, for about 3 more minutes. Yes, this is what I was looking for. For loaded tots, you want them as crispy as you can stand it, okay? Because I like to layer my ingredients. I'm going to take some out. I don't have to take too many of them out because it's an even layer at the bottom, as you can see. Add our ingredients. I'm going to add some sharp cheddar cheese. Use bacon bits, but I'm going to use freshly cooked bacon. Now I'm going to add some green onions. Now you can just wait to add these last as garnish, but I like a little mixed in as well. So we're just going to add the rest of the tots back on top. Add some more cheese and some more bacon. Now I'm going to place them back on the base and let them heat until the cheese melt. Shouldn't take no longer than 2 minutes for that cheese to melt because they're already hot. Okay, the cheese has melted, and this is what we have. I'm going to add some pepper jack cheese to mine. Garnish with a little bit more green onions. And some sour cream. And there you have it. Our loaded tater tots. I'm going to show you mine. Okay, let's taste. Like I said, I added the pepper jack cheese to mine. These are delicious. Now you can season your tots if you choose to, but the Sonic ones, they don't need no seasoning. And besides, I used the bacon, so you know that's salty. So that's the reason why I did not season the tater tots. There you have it, the Ninja Crispi Pro. If you picked up this machine, please let me know in the comment section below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you don't mind. Have a blessed one.